So today we're gonna make blueberry cake. So there are some ingredients which we're gonna use is butter, sugar, eggs and flour, and of course blueberry. And now we're gonna cream together sugar and butter. Then I'm gonna take whisk because it's much better after this texture is formed. Then gradually we're gonna add eggs in quarters. We're gonna add first quarter, then second quarter, then third quarter, and until you see this texture is formed, this consistency of the egg, butter, and sugar. So after this, we're gonna just stop, let it rest for a minute or two. Then on the side we have some sifted flour which we're gonna add as well in this together. And now we're gonna fold in the flour, not whisk it. Why not whisking it? Because when you whisk it you just lose the air content. When you fold it in together your cake is more fluffy than usual. So just kind of fold the flour in and out and slowly, not just like whisking it out, and not adding all flour at the same time, and just keep going until all the flour is in and you have this kind of texture. Now add your all washed blueberries in, and this we're gonna fold it as well, not just destroying the blueberries in it because I want all the pieces in there. I want chunks in it, not just pureed or something. Then after this, for a bit more better flavor, I'm gonna add some lemon zest in it. It just brings on more flavor. Take a baking mold and just put a baking paper down and oil the sides so the cake doesn't stick, and level the cake batter out so it rises in a good shape. And now we're gonna bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. So it's been cooled down for 30 to 35 minutes, and I'm just gonna clear up the edges so the cake can come out easily. And then just turn backwards to take out the baking paper. Now I'm just gonna cut off the cake and see how does it look from inside. You can put some flavored frosting in there if you like. You can also eat with some sour cream. So now we're gonna cut it open and see how does it look from inside. And it looks so fluffy. There you go. Bon appetit.